Tayo pwede siguro pasok pa ka? Sini,
Today is a very important day
YGP President,
for
ay ka social activist.
Tripura.
Borong menang suruh saya borma, bono pwede sa desain huya sa
Nation
nalayan.
organization has
Pwede tayo hanya hay,
approved
Jinoro pasok pa ka, borong menang monihat dan borma, social activist,
August.
bono pwede sa desain huya sa nalayan.
Privileged to come here and to celebrate the day. And we extend our heartfelt to all the organizers, to the press people, that you should also highlight it effectively.
Tayo hamay baru,
My regard to
Jinoro pasok pa ka,
ETADC officials,
sini former CEO,
the chairman,
borong menang sige jongan dia, pwede bono sa desain huya sa nalayan.
advisor committee member,
Tayo borong pasok pa ka,
Mr. C.K. Zabel,
dalai khagana,
and we have
tayo sacrifice tayo pinay,
we all congratulate.
botay ke biya simoti,
And we are happy
borong menang sini pavitra bokti jongan dia, social activist,
over by the international body,
sen bono desain huya sa nalayan.
a very indigenous people, because we were excluded
Tayo hamay baru, Jinoro pasok pa ka,
because of our movement, because
sini
of our
kesam,
restless.
kini edisi habang ni CM,
This has been
borong menang butuh dia borma, bono desain huya sa nalayan. Tayo hamay baru,
we will be
orang pasok pa ka, sini XEM,
some others important
borong menang Chandra Dairu gini,
point also.
bono pwede desain huya sa nalayan.
It is all thanks to all the organizers also. And there are, I think, we have some cultural teams also. We all give thanks to them so that they can perform effectively. Thank you.